In this video I'll be reviewing the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I'll start with the pros and then go to the cons. Let's get started. So one of the pros is that it has an LCD display on the front, and while it's recording it shows you how long it's been recording, what mode it's in, the battery life, and how long the estimated time you can keep recording due to the SD card capacity. Another pro is that it's obviously waterproof, which, like everybody knows. The app is another cool thing about it, and I haven't had any trouble with the app. It's worked perfectly fine for me. You can also download a editing app made by GoPro, and so that's another cool thing. And you can also get a GoPro Plus subscription. I think it's like $5.99 a month, and you get unlimited cloud storage for your GoPro videos and media, and you can set it to upload automatically to the cloud whenever your GoPro connects to Wi-Fi. So that's a pretty cool feature. You can also customize a lot of settings to where, like, when you plug it into your computer, it automatically opens the GoPro software for the computer, which is another positive thing. One of the main reasons people will get it, the Hero 7 Black, is because of the stabilization that it has. It's basically made for like action shots, like on a dirt bike or skateboard or mudding on a car. It stabilizes it to where you basically can't tell the difference between the GoPro stabilization and a gimbal. I mean, there might be a slight difference, but unless you're seriously like looking way too closely, then you're not gonna be able to tell much of a difference. And another pro is that it gets software updates, and the display on the back turns off after recording for a short amount of time, or just being on for a short amount of time without anybody interacting with it. So it saves battery life during like time lapses and just recording in general. And you can also set it to automatically change settings like ISO and things that allow like more light, less light into the lens. You can put that to automatic, or turn on a mode called Pro Tune, which is basically the manual version, and some people would like that because they want to get the best footage for their camera. You can also shoot in what GoPro calls Super View, where it has an extremely wide angle, and so you can record like all of what you're seeing in an action scene. You can also change it to where you don't have to record that large of an angle, to where it's just a normal angle and it's not distorted, because when using Super View it does distort the video to where it looks kind of like curved and odd when viewed on a regular screen. And let's move to the cons. The biggest con that I had was the GoPro desktop software for Windows. It stopped responding a lot whenever I was using it, trying to view a video or edit something. It would just stop responding, and then I'd have to basically force close it or wait for it to keep responding, which it never did, I don't think. And so that's one of the problems I had. Another thing is that case that goes over the GoPro for mounting it on things is like really difficult to open. Well, it's not exactly difficult, it's just every time I open it I feel like I'm gonna break it, but that has been fixed by the Hero 8. but you also can't charge it while it's in the case, which I kind of understand, but it's also a little frustrating because the case is also supposed to be like protective for the GoPro. Anyways, I forgot to mention about the subscription. It's $5.99 a month. You get unlimited cloud storage and 50% off nearly all GoPro accessories. I think it might be all GoPro accessories other than like the camera itself. So it's actually a really cheap price for cloud storage. Most subscriptions are way more expensive. And so that's my review. Thanks for watching.